Barcelona striker Sergio Aguero was taken to hospital for a cardiac exam after complaining of discomfort during their match with Alaves on Saturday. The 33-year-old was substituted before half-time at the Camp Nou. He was seen holding his chest and will undergo cardiac tests at hospital as a precautionary measure, after leaving the ground in an ambulance. He was replaced by Philippe Coutino. Confirming the news, Barcelona wrote on Twitter, "Aguero reported chest discomfort and has been admitted to the hospital for a cardiac exam." Barcelona remain in 9th place in the table after the 1-1 draw against Alaves on Saturday. Get well soon, Aguero. Hope you like this video. Subscribe the channel and enable the bell icon to get our upcoming football-related videos. Thanks for watching Sports Studio.